Hey guys, welcome back. Today let's see how to install the headlight and the Speedo on the Triumph Street Twin. So let's start with the Speedo. The instrument cluster comes with a front cover and a back cover. So let's install the front cover first. You need 4 of these flip set screws to go into 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next we connect the Speedo to this connector. Okay, and then these 3 clips go into these holes. Now let's check if the Speedo is working. Perfect. Now we have to tighten these 3 screws so that the Speedo is secured. Now let's close it on with the back cover and these 2 bolts, one here and one here. Now let's install the headlight. To install this headlight into the housing, this part needs to be locked under here. Tilt it, put it in, and yeah. Now in order to secure this, we have 3 clips. I'll show you how. This is the clip, so this goes here. So one side goes in and the second, let's just push it in. Now we have to do this for the other 2 sides. Now this is how it looks with all the 3 clips installed. So first let's attach the connectors. This goes here. This gets connected here. Now let's check if the headlight is working.
Nice.
Perfect. So now let's secure the headlight with these bolts on either side. One here and one here. Let's tighten this side down. Now all we have to do is secure the headlight to the bike with these 2 humongous T40 bolts on each side. Just look at that black front ring along with the black Speedo cover. Wow, looks good. Let's fire it up. Speedo works fine, light works fine. The look of the bike has completely changed with just these 2 small modifications. These 2 actually they come in silver, like this color, but I didn't like the way it looked, so we changed it to black, like the newer versions of the Street Twin. Now all that's remaining is to put the license plate bracket here and mount the license plate back on. That's it. And once you've done that, we're done.